If you want to change your Gmail username, then this is the right video for you. In this video, we are going to give you a step-by-step tutorial how to change your Gmail username from the mobile. Stay tuned with us and let's start the video. For that, first of all, you have to open the Gmail application in your cell phone and you have to click on the profile icon that you will find on the upper right hand side. Once you click on it, you will be able to see this screen and then you have to click on manage your Google account. Once you click on it, then you have to find the personal info. You have to click on the personal info, then you have to find the email. You have to click on the email. Once you do that, then you will be able to see this screen. Here you have to click on the Google account email where you will be able to see your email address. Just click on it and it will open a new screen on your screen. Here you have to authenticate it again, and once the authentication process is completed, then you will be able to see this screen where you will get an option to change Google account email. Once you click on it, then you will be able to see the same message where it will be giving you some information before you change your Google account. Here it is saying that you can change your email ID once in 1 year and you can change it 3 times in lifetime. Whatever application you have used in the past with this email ID will be logged in and you will be able to log in with this new email address also. And all this stuff that you can read through, and at the bottom you will be able to find enter your username. So whatever username you are going to enter it in here will be set as a new username for your Gmail account. One thing to remember, this should be the unique one, otherwise Gmail won't allow you to change it. Once you change it, then you can use it anytime. You will be able to use it this email ID as a primary email ID and your previous ID you will be able to use it as a secondary email ID. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you want more videos like this, click on the subscribe button.